I'm gonna let y'all see what the car make on the first pull, which gonna be on 3 pounds. I'm gonna at least give y'all that. What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all can see by the thumbnail, we back at the dyno again, man. We back at it again. Back to back, back to back. So y'all see, we already got Mr. Jones loaded up, man. I loaded up this morning, so I won't have to be scrambling. We strapped down, ready to go. Gonna take this trip, man. We got a little bit of racing gas in there. We got a little bit of cologne in it, and Mr. Jones, you know, so he smell good and run good and all that. So we got a little cologne, got the tire switch back over. Like I said, I just got 4 on each wheel right now. That's straight for the dyno. I got the mold. The other one's coming, man. I really don't know what happened to all my lug nuts, man. I really don't know. But anyway, that's enough talking. Good enough for the intro, man. I'll let y'all see. I'm gonna let y'all see what the car make on the first pull, which gonna be on 3 pounds. I'm gonna at least give y'all that. At the end of the year, I promise you, I'm gonna reveal everything. Y'all know on the Here Run Speed Power, Here Run Speed kit. Shout out to Here Run Speed. The link is in the description, man. If you want to get the kit, I'm telling you, they make good power. So I'm gonna run the first pull at 3 pounds, which is no CO2 on. That's all this car make. If I ain't got no CO2 on, to make 3 pounds of boost. So that's usually what I ride around on when I'm just day to day. Then I'm running on 10 pounds of boost, which is all I ran it on last time when I got on this dyno. I didn't run past 10 because it wasn't tuned and all that. And then we're gonna run probably 15 because I usually just go to 15 every now and then. We're gonna see what it do. All on really 93. Like I said, I just put 2 gallons. They were from the track last time. They're probably gone, honestly. Cause I'm finna put a little bit 93 on top of it. So it really gonna be on pump gas. So yep, that's it. Let's hit the road. All right, y'all look. Y'all see, I'm about to leave. Boom, FedEx truck. Right on time, y'all, right on time. So y'all already know, they part for Dolo. So stay tuned in. Y'all see we here, man. We made it. We got it unloaded. All that good stuff. Finna ride up here. I know it's windy, y'all. I don't know how good y'all can hear me, but we finna go and get up here, get it on there. I gotta get the GoPro. Y'all. We gonna get it on there though, then we finna get to it. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all, we checking in, so we just got it set. Got the we got it set on 3 pounds right now with the leash, the boost leash. Got the GoPro set up right here so I can see the RPMs and the boost and all that. So y'all see, I gotta fix that, man. Y'all know that's my highway. See, ain't no CO2. Ain't no scrum. So ain't no CO2 pressure. Ain't no pressure on the dome, so it should make just 3 pounds of boost. Second run, we're gonna go up to 10 pounds. Then we're gonna run 15 on the last one. So y'all just stay tuned. I told you I'm gonna tell y'all what the horsepower is on the first on the wastegate. I'm gonna let y'all know what it make on 3 pounds. But after that, just gotta use your imagination. So y'all stay tuned. Y'all, we got it all wrapped up, loaded up, and head back to the house. I gotta hit the track tonight, man. Hit Hunter's Dragway, set up a raid Thursday night, going down. I ain't taking no car today, man. I don't feel like fooling with him, so I'm finna take John home and unload it, all of that good stuff. Then I tell y'all what it made on 3 pounds of boost. Made some good power. It definitely make more power, but I knew that last time from when I got tuned. But like I said, the dyno I tuned on, shout out to Vega Tune. That's who tuned my car. His dyno's lower, like a Mustang dyno. So his dyno's a lot lower. So I came back over here because this is where I originally dynoed it at Leadfoot. So I'm gonna tell y'all what it made, man. I'm gonna put it like this. Man, I'm just gonna tell y'all what it made when we get home. Y'all just stay tuned into the video. Alright, y'all, we checking back in, man. I'm back at the house. Good day. Got everything put up, man. Going to the track today. Once again, I need to take this off. Like I said, I'm about to hit Head Hunter Dragway today too. So I went and scheduled that early so we can go ahead and do that. So you know, multitasking. Making it happen, man. Making it happen. So yeah, man, John Jones, boy, John Jones. Ooh. Hey, I told y'all I would tell y'all what it make on 3 pounds on the wastegate. On straight wastegate, no CO2 flowing at all. On 3 pounds, it made 505 horsepower to the wheels. And let me see, I want to say 6 on the torque. I don't know, it was 600 or 700 something foot-pounds of torque. It was, I think it was low 700 foot-pounds of torque. No, don't get me wrong, it was 650. I think it was 654 on the torque at 3 pounds of boost. 3 pounds of boost, that's what I ride around on. So it making 505 to the wheels on 3 pounds of boost when I ain't even got the CO2 on. So the rest of the pulls, y'all can use y'all imagination and put something together. Y'all can use y'all imagination, man. But we did 4 pulls total. The second one was on 12 pounds. The second one y'all seen, that was 12-pound pull. And the third and fourth were both on 15 or whatever. So, you know, we just took the RPM up on the last one a little higher. So, yeah, man, that thing makes some power. That thing makes some power. On pump gas, man, shout out to Vega Tune, man. I got to shout out to Vega Tune, man. That's who tuned the car. Y'all know Vega Tune down there, SOB Built Motorsport. Shout out to them guys. That thing spot on. I ain't had no problems out of it. It drive good. All of that. Y'all see I've been running at the track. John ready to go. Ready to go, man. We got shocks coming. I got some real deal shocks coming finally, man. Gonna knock my 60 foot down for real. And if you knock 60 foot down, you know what it do to your ET. Big number. So when I put them shocks on, man, this thing here gonna be, it's already bad, but it's gonna be all the way ready. So yeah, man, we made some good power. We made some damn good power. Let me quit being modest. We made some damn good power. I'm gonna say that. On pump gas now, 93 octane. No timing in it like that or none of that. It's safe to ride around with. Go run at the track, come back home. That's why I like it. I'm gonna do a max power tune. Really lean on it. Never leaned on the car at all. Gonna really lean on it. Put some whole full tank of race fuel so we know we got the proper octane. And I'm gonna get it done like that, man. I don't even want to do E85. Everybody do E85. That's easy. It's easy. It got the alcohol content in it. It just lets you turn your car up and down. But you know, your fuel mileage, boom. I like my car like this, cause it's different. Ain't nobody riding around on pump gas like that. 93 racing at the track on 93. And I'm gonna say, to get most cars to do what this car doing, man, it take most of the cars on race fuel or they on E85. When you talking turbo cars and stuff, the power this car making. The power this car making crazy, man. It's unreal on pump gas, I'm telling you. 93 octane, what this car made today, hey man, with all them accessories, that stuff robs power. AC, the most stuff you gotta turn, it robs power. It does. I mean, most people know that, but we ain't taking nothing off. I'm not taking no weight out, no nothing, man. And it made so much torque. It ain't funny. That's why they car move like it move. Torque move a car, horsepower keep the car moving. That's where it cross over. When your torque drop off and your horsepower that's where your horsepower take over. That will keep your car moving. So I looked at that torque. That's why they car so fast. That's why they car is rocket. But yeah, man. Shout out to Leadfoot. Shout out to Leadfoot, man, for let me come through. We'll be back at the dyno one more time with Big Dolo when it come back. Then when Meats get all pressure, we'll be taking Meats. Meats gonna go nitrous ready, or gonna motor pools then nitrous ready. Meats gonna make some steam. I tell you that. Dolo gonna make some steam when it come back. But we got all the parts in for Dolo. The package that came earlier, I thought it was Dolo parts. It wasn't Dolo part, man. It was my mother-in-law. It was a package my mother-in-law in order. So I'm waiting, man. It's supposed to come today. The last of the stuff I had the next day, but I'm still gonna end up having to go to Summit. So I'm gonna ride up to Summit tomorrow morning, and I need to get some more fuel line. So yeah, after that, Dolo be going down and hustle hard next week. And knowing Frank, he'll probably have it done next week. That man do not play. He'll probably done sent me a video where they done tested it on the nitrous and everything. Probably gonna make my eye jump out my head. Then I'm gonna go pick it up. It'll be ready. So yeah, man, good day, man. John made some power. Now I'm finna go ahead and eat, charge the equipment up, and I'm finna hit the track, man. Finna hit the track, get some good footage, enjoy the day. And I appreciate y'all watching every day. I'll catch y'all later.